Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets use multiple accounts. We're only going to use one account though, simply because if you just start, you're a beginner, you just want to try one account, you know what I mean, and see if this works. You want to test this, with just one, and see if it works first before you really get down into it, you know what I mean? So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, I'm going to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And honestly, it's because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. 80% income over the whole Home Business Academy, which is the the company that runs the $25 business. Any product of theirs is 80% recurring, not recurring, but 80% income, period. So essentially what you could get, any product in this system and it'll get you 80%, which is fantastic deal. But we focus on the recurring income because that's what we billing income with. All right guys, so each person can give you $120 every month. That's insane. Each person could do that with the $25 business because it's two products. One gives you $20 once you promote it, one gives you $100. So anyway guys, first let's check out results here guys to see what's going on. Don't believe results until I refresh, or anybody refresh results. Don't believe them because it's easy to turn these numbers around to be anything they want. Alright, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, man, because we got this gigantic sale here. So I'm not really tripping about some couple of days without sales for a while. Honestly, this month, February, these first 3 days, it's already like second in how much money I made in a month, guys. It's second. It's not my first month. My biggest month was November. That was about almost $700, but it's close to second. It might be second, not quite second. It's a lot right away though, you know what I mean? It's 480. 480 is like, wow, right away. It's kind of good. But anyway guys, let's move on here guys. So what you want to do when you start here guys, you want to come in. There's the link in the description below says the $25 business. Alright, you want to click on that. It's going to take you to this page here, and this page is going to talk about the money you can make and stuff like that, how simple it is, what you're buying, all that good stuff, right? And so once you finish reading it and you're interested, you're fully interested, you're fully into it, alright, so you click on yes I want in. Right now, once you click on yes I want in, it should show you one more video fully explaining exactly what you're purchasing. Alright, it's a very short video, but it's a video that we decided to put in because some people would buy not understanding exactly what they were purchasing and what was going on, and so we felt like we wanted to put another video in there to make sure guys, people who purchase it are really understanding what they're purchasing, you know what I mean? So because we're not trying to trick anybody, all right? We would do better if you fully understand what you're buying. All right, so you do that, right? Once you sign in, you'll get to a page. It looks something like this. All right, you'll get to this right here, right? Page looks something like this. What you want to click on is affiliate zone here. You click on the affiliate zone. Once you click on the affiliate zone, go down. By the way, there's videos telling you exactly what to do here. I'm just giving you the shortcut version of it. Alright, what you want to do is sign up for the affiliate program here, right guys? You want to sign up, and once you sign up, right, it'll take you to sign up for affiliate thing. Once you do all the things, right, and eventually you'll get your SAM card. and your sound card. You can log into your sound card here, and that's when you get to this page with all your links. All right, guys, it's all your links here. It's how you get paid and set up and all that. Once you set up everything, it's videos showing you exactly what to do, guys. So don't stress it if you don't fully understand like what to do, but it's a video for everything. So anyway, guys, once you do that, you want to come over to My Lead Gen Secrets here, sign up for an account. There's a, the link in the description down there. Click on that to sign in for an account, guys. Affiliate links, by the way, affiliate links, of course. I just make sure I let y'all know that. But anyway, we're gonna click on our leads here. Once we do that, we're gonna go to our next email here. We're gonna just load it up. What was it? Holy cow. Next one. I guess this is the next one. So we load up this email here. Now you can copy this email if you want to, guys. You can just copy this email if you want to. Now, here's another way to get an email, guys. If you got the HBA Premium, that's the $125 product per month that you can get for free for 2 weeks. Once you sign in, you can go to HBA Premium here, click on it, go to the Immersion Magic Content Machine, and you can type in what you need. Like say an email, you need, I need a email explaining how money you can make good. $25 bid. Put the all 25 digital business. Just type something like that in. Alright, guys, I need an email explaining how much money you can make. I'm gonna pick like a clickbait heavy email. Need a clickbait heavy email explaining how much money you can make with all in one $25 business. Okay, so you put something like that in, right? You can change it up and do whatever you want. You can make it, write it in the style of J.K. Rowling if you want to. It's a lot of stuff you can do, right? So yeah, this is a very simple email. Make $25. That's the type, that's the subject right there. And then you looking to make money fast. The secret said financial freedom, get ready to unlock the power, make money easily, all one digital. You just need $25 to get started. Blah blah blah. We'll guide you every single way. Blah blah business. What are you waiting for? Unlock the secret. And just like that, you got an email, guys. And don't just think it's limited to emails. You can get 3 hashtags. You can get your hashtags for TikTok. You can do a lot of stuff, guys. A TikTok caption thing. It's a bunch of stuff you can do here, guys. And I want you guys to understand this is gold here. And this works for me. Alright, it works for me, it can work for you. Alright, guys, so once you do that, click on Perfect Time, make sure the link is in the description. Make sure you use the link, put it in there so they can click on it, go to your thing, click preview, make sure your link works with the preview button down, and you send the email and you're done. That's all it takes, guys. Very simple, very easy, very quick process. If you're interested in following along, like I stated before, all the links in the description below. Just do exactly what I said do, and start making money online. Alright, guys, like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye, have a beautiful time.